Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Moon. My name's Mike and on this channel I talk about and review camera tech, gadgets and smart gizmos. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. But today we'll be talking about the Holy Hi ET1 earbuds and whether it's any good. Let's jump into it. I've done a couple of earphone reviews on this channel and Holy Hi wanted to send out their ET1 for me to test out with no strings. So I thought, why not? If you haven't heard of Holy Hi, they are a company that primarily sell affordable wireless earbuds as well as a smartwatch. They are very popular on Amazon and to me anyway, they look like they specialize in truly wireless earbuds for under £50. Now they do make some big claims on their websites, such as more stable and more comfortable than other products on the market. So I thought I would test out their claim. So what did I get? I got the Holy Hi ET1, which is their wireless answer to earbuds for very active users. So what do you get in the box? You get the wireless earphones, which only weigh 18 grams for the pair, which is fairly lightweight. You also get a charging case like this one, which has a capacity of 600 milliamps, as well as a very short micro USB to USB-A. You also get some small, medium and large ear caps, as well as an instruction manual. Looking around the earbuds, they remind me of the Powerbeats Pro, which isn't a bad thing as they are a very stylish earbud. On each ear, we have a button, a small LED indicator, and a small hole which has a microphone behind it. More on that later. On the other side of the earbud are some charging pins which connect into the charging case. Now the charging case is a simple design, but not in a bad way I would say. It has an LED indicator that flashes white when the earbuds are charging and then turns off when the earbuds are fully charged. Now on the back of the case we have a micro USB port. Again, I would have loved to have seen a USB-C here, especially in 2020, but at this price point I don't see this being a massive deal breaker, especially for their target audience. So what are the specs on these? Firstly, they are Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds, meaning that they should provide a strong and reliable connection, which is great, especially when you're doing sort of active sports. Now, according to Holy Hi, they have a working range of up to 10 meters, which I didn't test out myself, but I have had these sort of earbuds away from my phone at a distance of probably about 6 to 7 meters with no troubles. Each earbud has a 40 milliamp hour battery, which is supposedly supposed to last about 5 hours according to Holy Hi. Now in my tests, I would say I got approximately that. I use these earbuds to listen to music in the gym, as well as sort of listen to podcasts, as well as tutorials. And they did sort of last around 4 to 5 hours. The charging case can also charge the earbuds up to 6 times, meaning that this can easily last a whole week of heavy use without worrying about plugging it in. Also, they are IPX5 water resistant, meaning that they should handle even the sweatiest of workouts. The sound quality is very good, definitely good enough for a run or a workout. Now I would like a bit more bass, but others may say that the sort of sound profile is just right. I have listened to podcasts, YouTube videos and sort of music of all types, and I do think that they work really well. Now don't get me wrong, they don't compare to my B&O Play earbuds, but they aren't really trying to compete with them. I mean, for the price of these earbuds, I would say that they are definitely some of the best I've heard like I said, at this price point. They are also very secure in the ear. Even when I'm shaking my head with these earphones, they stay in absolutely fine. So for those sort of runners or crossfitters, definitely you'll love these earbuds. The pairing process was very simple. All that you do when you first take them out is obviously take them out of the case, hold the button on each earbud for about 2 seconds. The LED indicator of the master earphone will flash red and blue, and then the LED of the slave earphone will turn off. The earbuds will then audibly sort of say pairing, and then just go into your sort of Bluetooth settings, find and select ET1, and then your earbuds are fully connected. Job done, and you're ready to go. They take about 4 seconds from taking them out of the case to connecting and playing the music that I had on my phone. One thing to comment about the connection is that there was a couple of times where I had to press and hold the button to turn them on when I took them out of the case, as they didn't connect. Like I said, it was only a few times that it happened, but I thought it was something that I should mention. Now, it would be nice if that they would just connect to my phone slightly quicker, and also that they turned on as soon as I took them out of the case, so without having to sort of press and hold the button on the earbuds themselves. The controls are very basic. Just click the button on either earbud to listen or play or pause any of the music that you're listening to. Double press the left one for the previous track and double press the right one for the next track. If you press and hold the button, you will increase the volume and decrease the volume depending on which earbud you hold. Now, I will say that increasing or decreasing the volume is at a slow rate. So getting from sort of the lowest to the highest or highest to lowest took about 10 seconds, which might be a good thing if you want that finer control with the earbuds, but might be a bit annoying if you're just looking to quickly raise that volume or quickly lower it. Lastly, if you want to activate your voice assistant, just triple press any button on either earbud and your chosen voice assistant will then pop up. The touch controls work well in my opinion. However, when pressing the button, it is a little bit uncomfortable as I'm sort of pushing the earphone into my ear. Holy Hi do make some earbuds with touch controls. However, I can see why they went for a button approach, as this reduces sort of accidental presses, especially when you're working out, which is what these earbuds are aimed for. Plus, you're not really going to be changing songs or adjusting volume much if you've, let's say, got a workout playlist or a podcast you're listening to while you're doing your activity, especially things like CrossFit. You're not really going to have time to sort of play around and adjust the volume or change tracks. Having sweaty hands and using touch controls, or if you're trying to adjust the headphones as they sit in your ear, can also increase mispresses, if that's a word. So I think it's a good move from Holy Hi, but I thought I would mention the slight discomfort, obviously, when you're tapping and, sort of pushing it into your ear as you're changing whatever setting you're trying to change. So, as I mentioned before, you do have a microphone in these earbuds, so you can take phone calls. Just tap to accept or press and hold to reject the phone call. Now, this is where these earbuds sort of fall short. The audio quality isn't great, and there is also this strange echo. I think the issue is the distance between the earbud and obviously the mouth, as I've seen this same issue with other earbuds of this style. Now, I'm not saying that you can't take a phone call on this, but I would only really use this for a quick conversation. I find that my B&O earphones, which has a microphone much closer to the mouth, works far better. So what are my final thoughts on these earphones? I think if you're looking for a truly wireless earbud like these for active sports on a tight budget, then I genuinely think these are a great option and an affordable option. They are very secure in the ear, and honestly, they don't fall out. And they sound pretty good as well. If you're looking for an everyday headphone, outside of working out, I personally would look at sort of the other products from Holy Hi, for example, as they have the touch controls, and the size, I would say, on these wouldn't be so suitable for listening to every single day. Holy Hi do make some smaller earbuds with touch controls that I think would be a little bit more suitable for the sort of everyday user, but for very active people, so like CrossFitters, as I mentioned, these are phenomenal headphones. They really do stay in the ear. And like I said, the audio quality is brilliant. But there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. But as always, this is a discussion. Please leave a comment down below on whether you agree or disagree with any of the points that I mentioned. And also comment down below if this video helped you out with your decision on picking up a set of earbuds. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop me a like. It really helps me out. If you want to see more content, then please hit that subscribe button and join the Tech Car Moon family like so many of you already have. And also, if you're not already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm a lot more active nowadays, so follow me on there. And again, join me on the discussion. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.